know what's happening.
Yeah, this is it.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, we found it. We found our van. Yay.
February 8th, 2023. Dear Dad, after a few weeks of waiting, the new van is finally here.
We made it. Did they give you any paperwork?
Yeah, it's all in the driver's side,
Okay.
driver's side pocket.
Oh, the bulkhead removal looks amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, it does look a little bit like a creepy murder van, but
It's all clean.
it's all clean. They did a good job.
Okay.
All right, let's get the family of vans together.
Notice I said family of vans. Here's a quick recap to fill you in on what's been happening.
Here we go.
Life on the farm is lovely. I have 115 friends. But to see sheep in new and unusual locations, we needed a van. Honestly, it's the best way to see this country and explore everything beautiful Wales has to offer. For two people who never camped until a few months ago, I think we've done really well. And even though I love this van, it's tiny and it's old. Also, it breaks a lot. We booked a trip on a car ferry to Iceland and we leave in 2.5 months. After crunching the numbers, we kept the little caddy van, sold our car, and used the money to buy a bigger van. It's a 2015 Volkswagen Transporter with a long wheelbase. It's a big empty box. We had to wait patiently for it to be serviced. Today the van is finally ready, but it won't fit down our road.
They brought it on a flatbed, and it won't fit,
So we had to go meet the tow truck and get the van, and now you're all caught up.
We're in the van. We're having coffee. We're on our camping chairs with our fancy cardboard box rug. It's freezing cold. I have some gloves.
I'm excited to turn this van into a camper. The first step in the process is to cut giant holes in the metal. Back windows and side windows will add light and ventilation. A vinyl wrap to match the VW Caddy will jazz up the outside. My Apple Pencil died, so this is just a finger drawing. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm using YouTube to learn basic carpentry skills, so I'm not cutting holes in this van myself. A professional will install windows and add carpet lining at the same time, but I'm going to build the furniture and do the plumbing. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's never stopped me. Luckily, I have a ridiculously short deadline, so my time for freaking out is pretty limited.
Handsome. Are you gonna help me? I have my knee pads on over my PJs. Hi, oh, hello. What do you Thinking about this fashion. Hell yeah.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.
What a mess. It's looking better though. It's getting there. With the hammer? Goodbye, disgusting sticky floor. Yeah. Don't hurt yourself.
So many more.
You're a beast. That thing must weigh like a lot. This is why I wanted to clean off the old plywood. Gross. There's like a drill bit under here. Hey babe, I found a drill bit underneath the plywood.
That was the one, remember? They were working on the job. And the guy got so mad.
He's like, what'd you do with my drill bit?
Got back home.
How did a drill bit get all the way under the middle? I don't know. Part of a screw. Gross. There's a ton of metal in here, so broken glass, metal shavings. Pretty disgusting.
There's still screws in the thing still.
You did it!
So like 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, look, there's another drill bit. This one's giant. Look at that. Hey, babe.
Oh my god.
It's like a brand new drill bit, actually. See if it'll focus.
That's just tape.
There's a bunch of metal in here. There's a couple more drill bits. Look at that. What the heck?
Guess they did a lot of machining or something. There's a lot of nuts and bolts. They've all been rolling around for years.
Peter got the last piece out. Another drill bit. I think somebody lost a whole set of bits in here at some point. Wow.
That's it.
Amazing.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll have it there ready to go.
Start sleeping in it.
You never gutted a van before.
Yeah, me neither. Never crossed my mind until this year. Wow.
Secret is just pick it up.
Watch out for the troughs. Yep. He's a beast, ladies. He's a beast. A man, my man. All the sheep are cheering you on, babe. Checking out the new van. You wanna go camp? You wanna become a camping cat?
We managed to get the back of the van pretty clean. I scrubbed the floor and walls and forgot to take any video. But the cats signed off, so we're ready for the next part of the project. I'll write again soon. Love, Laurie.
Okay, so tell me what your brilliant idea is again. You want me to zip line into the new van?
In and out of the van. Because well, the first use case was to get higher, right? So you'd have to put some straps. So originally I was thinking more like a crane or helicopter kind of thing where you sit in a carriage and you get lifted in. But then I'm like, really, there's a lot of problems in getting, across mud and getting things wet and then having, so maybe we could just zip line back and forth between places.
That's brilliant. Well, why do we have...
I mean, you don't have to steer.
Wow.
So that's the zip line is kind of a problem. That's the other thing. Yeah, maybe I just thought like you could just load you up and I'll just push you.
That seems...
Actually, it's just the whole chair could go.
Peril.
The whole chair could go.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Right.
You could load me into the passenger seat and then push me into the car.
It's kind of like, yeah, I mean, and the technology exists. That's basically what roller coaster rides are. They just bring the chair and then you slide in and it should be straightforward.
I love your engineering mind applied to van building. It's great.
Straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward. Exactly.